I know the future. Rips back the suture. Get back, or loser.
Georgetown, on the island of Penang, has a completely different vibe from the rest of Malaysia's big cities. It feels more grounded, more authentic, with streets full of charming old architecture. And of course, its famous street art is one of the city's main highlights.
Thinking about your love. And so you say it's fine. One step, two steps, another.
We decided to escape the city for a day and head into the jungle for a hike. The weather looked perfectly clear until it wasn't. And of course, we hadn't packed any waterproof jacket. Penang's nature sits high above the city, where you can wander through jungle, spot monkeys along the trail, and come across insects that feel quite exotic, especially to the European eye.
And we are in Thailand. After spending 3 weeks in Malaysia, we arrived in Thailand yesterday. Border crossing was super easy, super simple. Went out in the city Hat Yai, probably pronouncing it badly. Has plenty of massage options. We didn't take any yet. Today we're taking maybe tomorrow, maybe we'll see, because we have plenty of time in our next city, which is Surat Thani. We're gonna spend 2 nights there. The goal is just to rest there before going to Khao Sok National Park. And we're gonna have some fun there. So for now, it's just about moving by bus and train. So today we take a train, 4 hours and a half train. Hopefully it's not going to be too bad, and then relax a bit in Surat Thani. And we have sweet potatoes. Market is closing, so I think we're gonna eat now on the side of the road. Tofu with peanut and with soy sauce. Mucho bueno. Is it good? Yeah. The best thing that she's ever eaten. Probably a lie, but still pretty good. And we arrived to Khao Sok. Now we're gonna get some food. Thai food. Well, it was a fail. It was closed. We need to walk 9 more minutes under the rain to the next place. So let's see how lucky we are now. I have enough phlegm. No grab to get to our hotel. So we have to walk 3.7 kilometers with our old bags, so our big backpack and our small ones. And we arrived to our final destination, some rapids. They call that waterfalls, but it's more rapids, of course, where we can have a small snack before walking back. Look what we have for dinner. Woo! And we're gonna get on one of these boats just now for about 50 minutes.
Then came Chow Lan Lake, with its dramatic atmosphere, clouds rolling over the sharp limestone peaks, creating a surreal and amazing landscape.